Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable pop-ups and redirects on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up Brave and then select the hamburger menu icon up in the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right side underneath Privacy and Security, select Site and Shield Settings. And then scrolling down again underneath content, there should be something that says pop-ups and redirects. So if you want to enable pop-ups and redirects, select the first option that says sites can send pop-up and use redirects. And you can also customize certain websites that are allowed or not allowed down here if you want to go against the rule of whatever the default behavior may be. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.